Hi everyone, let's see how to create an HTML file and how to execute it in browser. By using simple text editor like Notepad or TextEdit, we can create an HTML file and check. But in this tutorial series, we are going to use Visual Studio Code. But if you want to use text editor, for Windows you can use Notepad, for Mac you can use TextEdit. For using TextEdit, let's minimize this. Open Launchpad. In search box, type TextEdit. Open it. Then click New Document button. TextEdit new document opened. Let's copy our sample HTML code. Now we have to save this file. Before saving, have to change the format in Mac. Click Format menu, then click Make Plain Text. Then click OK. Then after that, go to File menu, click Save. Here have to provide file name. Give the file name which you want. Then extension should be .html. Then click Save button. Then click Use .html button. Now file saved successfully. Now let's go to folder path. We saved inside this folder. Right click on the file which you saved, then open with browser. See, we created our first HTML file successfully. For Windows we can do it in Notepad. Now let's open Visual Studio Code and continue our learning. Launchpad, then click Visual Studio Code. We already created a file, so we are going to open that. If you want to create a new file, you can create through Visual Studio Code also. Let's open the file which we created. Open. Then go to the path, select the file, then click open. Let's continue learning in Visual Studio Code. In our next video, we will see HTML attributes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.